GIS has become the foundation of modern urban design. It helps architects and planners understand the landscape, the community, and the long-term impact of their decisions. What used to take weeks of manual research can now be visualized instantly, with accuracy and depth. Here are the major functions of GIS in architecture and urban design. Suitability and restriction analysis. Every design starts with understanding the land. GIS analyzes the physical and regulatory characteristics of a location. It reveals where development is possible, where it's risky, and where it must be avoided. GIS evaluates environmental factors such as terrain and slope stability, elevation and drainage patterns, soil strength and foundation suitability, flood-prone areas, vegetation and ecological sensitivity, proximity to water bodies and buffer zones. And it integrates legal frameworks like zoning classifications, building height restrictions, protected areas, easement zones, setback requirements. With GIS, architects can instantly generate suitability maps that show the best locations for buildings, public spaces, roads, or utilities. This leads to safer, more sustainable, and cost-effective planning, long before the first sketch is drawn. 2. Socioeconomic factors. Great cities aren't built for land. They're built for people. GIS brings socioeconomic data directly into the design process, helping planners understand who lives in a community, what they need, and how they move. GIS maps demographic layers such as population density, age distribution, income levels, employment centers, education access, health services, public transportation routes, housing demand and scarcity. This information helps architects design equitable, inclusive, and efficient urban environments. Whether it's identifying where new schools should be built, or understanding how a new road will affect local communities, GIS provides clarity and direction. 3. Community engagement. Urban design is no longer a one-way process. Communities want to participate, understand, and influence how their neighborhoods evolve. GIS makes public involvement truly interactive. Through online maps and dashboards, residents can view proposed developments in 2D or 3D, explore environmental impacts, compare alternative designs, leave comments directly on the map, vote on options that matter to them. This level of transparency builds trust and ensures that design decisions reflect real community needs. With GIS, public participation becomes visual, accessible, and meaningful. 4. Scenario assessment. Urban planning is full of difficult choices. Should we prioritize green space? Increase density? Add new roads or expand public transit? GIS gives planners the tools to test and compare multiple scenarios before making a decision. It allows them to examine environmental impacts, traffic flow changes, pollution levels, heat island reduction, construction costs, access to services, long-term sustainability metrics. Planners can run simulations, evaluate options, and choose the design that delivers the greatest benefit. GIS transforms planning into a data-driven, visual, and measurable process. Construction sites are dynamic, fast-paced, and full of moving parts. Traditionally, information is scattered on laptops, paper files, emails, and phone calls. GIS brings everything together into one connected environment, improving efficiency from the planning phase all the way to project handover. Here are the key ways GIS enhances construction management. 1. Scheduling and planning. Construction schedules used to be entirely time-based. But GIS adds a crucial missing dimension: location. By connecting tasks to geographic space, GIS helps planners identify conflicts between work zones, safety risks and restricted areas, optimal placement of cranes, excavators, and materials, the sequence of activities based on actual spatial constraints. GIS supports 4D construction simulation, time plus space, providing a realistic view of how a project will unfold on the ground. With this insight, planners reduce delays, improve safety, and prevent costly rework. 2. Supply chain and logistics. Material delays can stop a project for hours, even days. GIS helps avoid this by optimizing the entire supply chain. It supports real-time vehicle tracking, efficient delivery routing, predicting traffic delays, managing stockpile locations, visualizing material flow on the site, coordinating procurement schedules. GIS ensures materials arrive at the right place, at the right time, keeping construction operations on schedule. 3. Job site workflows. GIS modernizes job site workflows by connecting field teams and office teams in real time. Workers can collect progress photos, quality inspections, safety reports, utility locations, as-built conditions. All of these updates appear instantly on a project dashboard. Drone imagery, 3D reality capture, LiDAR scans, and GPS-enabled field apps all feed into a single GIS platform. This reduces errors, improves communication, and gives project managers a precise, up-to-date picture of the construction site. 4. Project handover. When construction is complete, GIS delivers something far more valuable than traditional documents. It provides a digital twin, a complete geographic record of every asset, every system, and every component in the project. This includes as-built drawings, utility locations, asset metadata, inspection history, maintenance schedules, safety documentation, equipment warranties. Instead of handing over binders and PDFs, the project team delivers a living digital system that supports long-term facility management. GIS ensures the client doesn't just receive a building, they receive a fully documented, intelligent asset. GIS is more than a mapping tool. It is the foundation of modern AEC workflows. It helps architects design smarter cities. It helps planners make better decisions. It helps construction managers build safer, faster, and more efficiently. And it helps clients operate their assets with clarity and confidence. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Do you want a full series on GIS for AEC? Thanks for watching, and continue building the future with intelligence, sustainability, and GIS.